Welcome to cPanel course. In this lesson, we will learn how to manage the emails. Okay, I have already created an email on the previous lesson. Now we will learn how to manage, example, how to create a forwarder, how to add autoresponder, how to create a spam filter. Let's go on ahead. Okay, first go to your email account. Okay, it is your website.com or your website name.com.org, whatever it is, /webmail. Then use your email login details. Okay, now I will go to the forwarders, and you can use it from the drop down of your click on the name of your account, example info at your email. Then you will see this screen drop down. Okay, choose to forwarders. Forwarder is, it will send a copy of any email that comes to your email account. Example, let's say I have my personal email account here. I want to get any email that I received on my cPanel account. Okay, just to type it here. Okay, then click on add forwarder. Now I have configured the forwarder, and it will send any copy to my personal account. Okay, now on the next step we will learn how to create autoresponder. Autoresponder is used if you are not in the office for 2 or 3 weeks and you want users to know that you are not in the office. Okay, we will create a message that says I am not in the office, thank you for your message. I will reply on ASAP. Okay, click on add autoresponder. You will see this screen. Use the interval example 1 hour. Okay, from let's say your company name. Okay, you can use that as your company name, and subject I am not in the office. Let's say I will say hi, thank you for your message. I am not in the office. I will reply ASAP. Okay, when to start the autoresponder? If you have a specific time, just to choose custom. If you don't have a specific time, just choose the immediately. Okay, and stop on, you have two options, never or custom. Example, let's say your vacation starts on this day, 27, okay, 27 May, okay, and it will end on 31 May. Okay, I have set the start and the end date. If I don't have a specific date, then I will use immediately or never. Okay, then create the auto forwarder. Now the auto forwarder is created. If someone sends me a message, they will receive the auto respond, and that will increase the communication. Okay, now we will learn on this next step how to filter spam emails. cPanel, it has a feature called spam filter. It can block any email that you use it on to filter it. Example, navigate to the to your domains, to your email, then choose spam filters. Okay, as you can see, it has custom threshold. Okay, and disable auto delete. Those features are new to cPanel. Okay, example, if you choose to custom threshold, let's say 5 or 10, what is this number? This number is, if the spam score is 5, then the email will not be received and it will be thrown to your spam box. Okay, let's increase it, just let's say 10, because An email can have a negative or positive effect. Okay, if the email exceeds this score, it will be thrown to spam box. Okay, this is the automatic feature. Just choose the threshold, then submit. Okay, that is it. You will not receive any email with the spam score of 10%. Okay, that is the idea. And thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson.